Hi guys, it's Melissa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't made a video in a really long time. But I'm back. I'm gonna put this down because this is actually really heavy. Okay, I'm back. I haven't made a video in so long and I thought I would start doing that again because I really miss it, and I'm also studying film production, so you know. So I thought I would start off my channel again by just doing a recap of my year. As you can see, I am in a completely different location. I'm no longer in Singapore. I actually live in Vancouver now. I go to UBC here for university. Maybe I'll do like a separate video on my life in UBC or just like university related things. So for now, welcome back, and here's what I did in 2017.
Day.